Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by prepping. Wear gloves and place wheel flat, cassette side up. Once the wheel is off, shift to the smallest cog and remove the axle fastener. This exposes the hub. Use a cone wrench to back off the lock nut and cup, keeping note of washer order. This preserves bearing per load. Clean gross grime first with a rag so degreaser won't drag dirt inward. This reduces contamination risk. You do this now to avoid forcing debris into bearings later. You now fully disassemble the hub, take out bearings and keep them separated by side. Once removed, inspect each bearing and cone for pitting. If any show wear, replace the bearing set. Clean cups and the hub shell with a degreaser and a soft brush. Get inside the race without gouging. After rinsing, dry thoroughly and blow out crevices if available. This prevents trapped moisture. Then apply a thin, even layer of high-quality grease into the race. This reduces friction and keeps contaminants out. You reassemble by seating fresh or cleaned bearings into the greased race, then replace the cone and hand-tighten the lock nut. Make sure you set a light per load, 2 tight binds, 2 loose causes play. Once tightened properly, spin the hub. It should rotate smoothly and stop without wobble. Mount the wheel and check rotor clearance and axle alignment. If you hear grinding or feel roughness, stop and re-inspect bearings and cone adjustment. That single check catches most.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.